Hey guys, welcome to the azxp channel. I have this 98 TJ Wrangler Jeep. I just installed the Smittybilt Cargo Netting. It hangs on the roll bar and slips in the same spots as the original soft top. The cool part is the rear window zips up like the soft top and locks into place like the soft top. Let me show you the rear before you give me a yay or nay. Just need to open the tailgate. See, you use the bottom bar from your soft top to lock it in place. Once the tailgate is shut, it is rock solid. Not that it gives you any security, but it doesn't flap around in the wind. It kind of looks weird to me having the cargo net on the back of the Jeep. In the comments, give me a yay or nay. Let me know what you think. I'll go around to the other side and give you a full side view. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.